Hey guys, got some new Panini cards. They're dropping on Friday. I'm gonna open a few up. Man, first one, Double J, Jimmy Johnson. These are pretty cool though. You got some retro ones. You got Bobby Labonte, all silver. These are pretty sweet. Man, Tony Stewart fireworks. That's pretty sweet. I heard that some of these are autographs, so I'll try and I'm gonna open these things till I find one. Chase Briscoe card, teammate. None in that one. There we go. Ricky Stenhouse. Be sure to get yours. You can win one of these packs.